This one is for the Harry Potter fans. Did you know that you can sleep over at Hogwarts? That's right, and during your stay you can visit some Harry Potter film locations and have breakfast in the Great Hall. I recently stayed over at Christmas time and it's the perfect experience for Harry Potter fans. Let's go. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Sophie from Third Eye Traveller, and today I'm doing something really exciting in Oxford, and I'm going to be sleeping over at Hogwarts. Yes, you can stay over at Hogwarts, or well, technically where they filmed Hogwarts for the Harry Potter movies. This church is where they filmed many of the Harry Potter movies for Hogwarts Cloisters and Corridors, and they got inspiration for the Great Hall, and they open up their university accommodation in the holidays. So I'm here in December, so they open it up over the Christmas period, but they also open it up in the summer as well, and I would 100% recommend staying here in Oxford as a great accommodation choice if you're a Harry Potter fan. The reason why I recommend staying here is because you actually get access to the cloisters and the staircase in Great Hall before opening hours. So you can go in and have breakfast in the Great Hall and also explore the cloisters. So I'm really excited to take you with me. So let's see what it's like staying at Hogwarts in Oxford. Have a nice chair. Obviously I've got my coat on there, and then you've got a bed, some tissues, lamp, cozy bed. You've got a desk area if you wanted to work while you were here, and a sticky board because I guess these are student accommodations. So, and then yeah, the bed. We've got towels and a cute little welcome pack, so we're definitely going to get into that in a second. And then I think I've just got a view of the back streets, but definitely beats the road. Bathroom, hello. You get a nice shower, and you get sinks, toilet rolls. So yeah, should be really good. Okay, so we have some tea and coffee making facilities here. And they even had some Christchurch tea blends, which is pretty cool. The fridge here as well, if you wanted to make something or keep some food. So yes, as you can see, it's quite Spartan here in the Christchurch student accommodation. And this is probably far from what you were expecting once you see the cloisters, the campus and the Great Hall. However, these rooms have everything you need for a stay in Oxford, and the prices are very reasonable. I paid £80 a night for a double ensuite with bed and breakfast. As well as all your facilities, it comes with a welcome package with guest information, and here you can look through this to get your Wi-Fi code and all of the things that you need during your stay. There's also this really cute bathroom wash pack and some towels, which I thought was a nice touch. So let's have a look in there. Oops, I think I ripped the box. So firstly, we have white tea and jasmine enriching conditioner and shampoo. There is some natural soap, which smell really nice. And then we have some white tea and jasmine hair and body wash. So yes, this comes completely free with your package, and it's just really nice. This is what it's like to sleep over at Hogwarts. It doesn't look as, I guess, glam as the old rooms and the cloisters and the Great Hall, but it is very adequate, and it's so cool you can access Hogwarts after hours. So that's what we're going to do tonight, and I'm really excited to take you with me. You get access to the cloisters and the Bodley Staircase. So you can actually stay in the Christchurch campus. I booked super last minute, and so I only got to get the 117 St Aldate's, which is just a little bit outside of the campus, but you still get to access Christchurch cloisters. I'm really excited to explore the Hogwarts corridors and cloisters at night time. I think it's going to be super magical, and I just think it's going to be great to explore it without the crowds. So yeah, let's do this. Come and join me on a sleepover at Hogwarts. So yes, if you're staying in the Aldate's building, you do have to cross the road and walk down to Christchurch, but you'll be given a fob that gets you access to the building through these really historic gates. It's such a cool mix of the old and the new. And then you can go to visit the Christchurch campus at night time, and you have the glorious Tom Tower here at night time, and it just looked hauntingly beautiful. I don't think the cathedral is open, but it was beautifully lit up with the Christmas tree. You can usually visit for evensong at Christchurch in the evenings here. And because you're a resident, you can explore anywhere on this campus at night time. Anywhere that's open, you can have a look around, and I absolutely loved their central Christmas tree in the quad. So this is the Peckwater quad, which is near the library. and the Canterbury Gate, and this is where you'd be staying traditionally if you were on the Christchurch campus as a resident. Not much will be open, as it will traditionally be when the students have broken up for their holidays, but you can have a good wander around towards the Canterbury Gate and have a look at the old buildings here. As I say, the Christmas tree was very festive and it made the place feel very cozy. It's a shame that you can't visit the library, but there we are. So yes, moving back towards the Tom Quad and Tower, we can head into the best part of all, which is exploring some of the Harry Potter filming locations that they filmed here at Christchurch in Oxford. Now, the one you'll probably recognise the most is the famous Bodley Staircase, which featured in Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. And this is where the students walked up to enter the Great Hall for the Hogwarts sorting ceremony. Okay, so I'm currently here in Christchurch at the Bodley Staircase. And I am so excited to see this place at night. Because it's Christmas, they have really cute fairy lights on the steps and it looks so nice. So yeah, I'm going to be taking some pictures here, but one of the things I really love about this is the fact that if you book to stay at Christchurch, you get the place to yourself at night time. So yes, this is where the students walked up the staircase to meet Professor McGonagall before they went into the Great Hall for the sorting hat ceremony. And anyone who's been on a Christchurch tour during the day knows that this staircase gets absolutely rammed. So what I loved was the fact that if you're staying here at Christchurch as a resident, you get to explore this staircase all to yourself at night time. It makes an amazing place to come for a photo or video shoot, and you can recreate some of your favourite Harry Potter scenes here. But don't forget, there are plenty more Harry Potter filming locations to seek after you've visited this famous staircase. And one of those is the Christchurch Cloisters. That's right, a little known Oxford Harry Potter film location is the Christchurch Cloisters, which can be found after your tour of the Great Hall. We briefly see these cloisters in Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone when Hermione has found the trophy cabinet. She shows it to Harry Potter as his father, James Potter, was an excellent Quidditch player, and it cheers Harry up a little bit, and it's quite a touching scene. You can visit these cloisters to your heart's content at night time, and they are so eerily beautiful, and I just loved walking around. So it's really late here in the Christchurch Cloisters, but I'm so excited to be exploring at night time. I feel like I have to whisper because it's a campus and you feel bad talking loud. So yes, it's really fun to wander around Hogwarts after dark, and it almost felt like we were sneaking around with the Marauders map. I absolutely love this because when I did a guided tour a few years back, it was so busy in these cloisters, in the staircase and the Great Hall, and just being able to enjoy this place to yourself is so relaxing and peaceful. It's the perfect experience for any Harry Potter fan. I had so much fun spending a quiet and peaceful evening just taking photos and videos of these cloisters to share with you, and it was just really, really magical. Okay, so I've just finished my photo shoot and video shoot in the Christchurch Cloisters and Staircase. It was absolutely incredible, and I can't wait to have breakfast in the Great Hall tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for day 2. Make sure to stay tuned for the Great Hall. So it's day 2 at Christchurch and my sleepover at Hogwarts, and now I'm heading into the Great Hall to eat some breakfast. So yeah, let's have a look what it's like to have a great feast in Hogwarts Hall. So yes, one of the best parts of staying over at Hogwarts, aka Christchurch, is the breakfast that you can have in the Great Hall in the mornings. Although they didn't film Harry Potter in the Christchurch Hall, they did use it as inspiration for the real thing. And so you can wake up in the morning to have breakfast in Hogwarts Hall. And it is just like a great feast. So you have all of the hot food options like hash browns, sausage and beans, toast, croissants, you have cereals, fruits, yogurts and juices, and you also have some pretty good coffee as well, which you can enjoy to your heart's content. The best part is being able to sit here on these long tables, and it really does feel like you're in Hogwarts. Now, I'm not the best food blogger and I had already started eating, but you can see my breakfast here, which was a hearty feast. Although I was staying here solo, I met some really nice Harry Potter fans, including a Japanese travel blogger who was reciting the entire Hogwarts sorting hat ceremony while we were eating breakfast, which was really magical. And honestly, it was the best way to start the day if you're a Harry Potter fan, because you can then visit some Oxford Harry Potter filming locations after your stay. As I was visiting here at Christmas time, I really liked how festive they made the entire place. There were fairy lights and Christmas trees in amongst all the amazing bric-a-brac portraits. This place does get pretty busy in the morning, so if you want pictures empty, I would either visit very early morning for the very start of breakfast or wait for a while after everyone has left before the tour groups come in. If you wait for everyone to leave for breakfast, you'll find an empty Great Hall where you can take some amazing photos and videos. After your breakfast, you're free to explore the cloisters and you can visit everything all over again. So of course I went back to the trophy corridor and cloisters in the daytime and just had fun wandering around and taking some photos again. Honestly, this is the best base to stay for Oxford if you are a Harry Potter fan looking to visit some Oxford Harry Potter filming locations. For the money, I thought this was excellent value as the tours are quite expensive anyway, but staying here means you get to explore Christchurch campus for free and see amazing highlights like the Cathedral, Great Hall, Cloisters and Tom Quad. So I have now come back from the Great Hall and I'm just about to check out of the Aldates building. I absolutely loved my sleepover at Hogwarts. It was so cool being able to wander around the campus and the cloisters and the staircase at night time, being able to wander around Hogwarts halls after dark. It was just amazing, and to be honest, if you go late enough, you can usually get the whole place to yourself, which is even more magical. So I would highly recommend it. You can book via the Christchurch website. It's usually around £60 to £150, I think, a night is the range. I paid for a double ensuite £80, which I thought was excellent value for money because you get your room, you also get breakfast, and then you get to wander around Hogwarts at night. It was just absolutely fabulous and I would do it all over again in a heartbeat. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to subscribe for more magic if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you next time. Bye.